Alright, so I've just taken a position in HDFC, not here, over here. Alright, so I've just taken a position now in HDFC. So, you're not getting much of margin. So, my buy average is around 482.40. Stock has an overall good movement. It has also given a VWAP movement also. So I couldn't put my order before that because my order got rejected because of margin. Anyways, our entry point was over here at 81.19. Alright, so got rejected by the time I put. So it has taken around average of 482.40. I've just taken one lot of HDFC. That's it. So if you saw how Nifty has opened gap up today, so we have a big gap over here, right? So Nifty has opened gap up and few green candles and now a red candle has been created. That impact has been seen on the stock also. So we have to wait for a long run because it's a 5 minutes candle. So you cannot just judge by next 2-3 minutes. So you have to wait. If you have to wait one candle, you have to wait for 5 minutes. You have to wait for another candle, then you have to wait for 5 minutes. So it's like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, like that, so on. So let's see. Hope if you see Nifty almost getting back to the same track it fell. So this was where it recovered and it fell a bit, and it is coming back to the same levels over here. Hopefully it breaks this resistance in the coming days if everything goes good, so that Nifty will have a movement towards top side. So it has just crossed our buy side. If you see here, see the number of buyers and sellers over here in the below. You can see percentage 62%, 38%. Now there is a lot of fluctuation in this particular percentage. A lot of buyers are coming into picture. So there is something going on in this particular stock. So finally a spike has been created. Just wait for some more time. So I have not taken a cover order or something. I have just taken a simple order. This particular, it's called a regular order for FNO with MIS itself. So I can square off like this anytime. Okay, so I can put a square off. So whenever it goes, like let's say 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 482.40 something, right, is our buy. So I can put like 1 rupee for this. Let's say now 48 paisa, 48 paisa, 48 paisa. So somewhere around 1 rupee 30 paisa, 1 rupee 40 paisa target I can put actually. So let's see. So alright guys, if you see the stock is going almost sideways, so a symmetrical triangle has been formed. So I taught you in my previous session about technical analysis how to see a symmetrical triangle, right? So how to draw. So now I've drawn a basic technicals for intraday. You like to know in intraday the technicals are not that great, the accuracy is not that great, but if everyone try to take an advantage together, then that is when we get advantage. So now these are my points. You see the resistance in the top and the support line in the down. Alright, so you see this is my resistance and this is my support, which has gone closer and closer. Alright, so therefore now the breakout, I'm expecting a breakout to go basically upside, considering the trend was up. If you see, the stock was going up and it started going a little bit sideways. Now it's time for the stock to have a breakout or continue within this particular range, okay, the symmetrical triangle itself, and later give a proper breakout or let some volume come in but this particular stock. Alright, so just keeping it here. So I have exited in HDFC Life. So if you see 485 is my sell average, so we bought it around 482.40. So when it spiked up to 485, I just hit a sell button. So we waited for a long time, right? So finally the stock is up, and I have booked my profit in this. Meanwhile ICICI, this one also we were looking into for a breakout, and it broke up and went. So yeah, so to buy a one lot of this one, you need more money, more than 50,000 rupees, because you don't have cover order option in Upstock as of now. So you need more than 50,000, some 70,000 you need, 75,000 to buy this particular lot. So I've taken a quick position in Grasim right now at a price of 499.40. okay, so our target will be close to 1 rupee 50 paisa, so it will be around 500.90. so for 500.90 we can actually square off the position. Let's say okay, so it is open as of now. So whenever it reaches 500.90, it will be triggering our point. So yeah, the stock is in the lower level as of now, and the stochastic has just crossed above the 40 range, negative 40 or 50 range. So yeah, taking a position as of now. It's a 5 minutes candle, like it takes some time for the candles to spike up, so let's wait. So alright guys, so the market has been closed, and we are done with our stock. Alright, so market is almost, it went sideways during the day, and end of the day it came a bit down, so stocks had an impact. So we had to wait for a longer time for our stock Grasim. So it went up to somewhere around 503. So I had set my target around 500.90, right? So yeah, so 500.90 is a sell average. So we took it at 499.40. Roughly we put 1 rupee 50 paisa calculation. So therefore if you see, it is 500.90. alright, so 1125 rupees in that 0.3% trade. So overall 3500, so close to 3.5% profit. So let's say we will withdraw let's say 3000 rupees. Okay, so alright, it's done. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.